Hello traders, let's do a video on CrowdStrike on this stock and how with the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system you knew far in advance where to short CrowdStrike from, where to short Microsoft from. So this is a reminder of what played out. Businesses all over the world impacted by a single update on Microsoft, by a single update by security firm CrowdStrike. The airlines, the hotels, the personal computers all over the world still, almost a week later, struggling to come back online. Single outage on Delta already cancelled 6,700 flights. It's a single airline. 80% of the airlines in US have been impacted. Delta still cannot come back online. This is a power of security updates that failed on Microsoft. Single update taking massive damage to US economy and globally. Here's a famous CrowdStrike. You knew months and weeks in advance where to short CrowdStrike from. That's it. This is the power of the system. This is how you trade Alpha Fibonacci system as traded by hedge fund traders, hedge fund managers all over the world. This is proprietary level. You can install on any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Alpha Fibonacci proprietary level with a proprietary application identified where reversal zone will be weeks and months in advance, well before the event. Here's how. I'm taking Alpha Fibonacci system back many months ago. Let's go all the way to February 1st, 2024. This is what the chart looked like. CrowdStrike heading higher and many months in advance, you know. First, this is key level. This is to follow an Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone months in advance at 392. So if I bring to your attention CrowdStrike, by the end of April, it reaches key level, April 30th. Absolutely no surprise, level 1, level 2. Bearish pullback in a play. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows how to trade this until price reaches proprietary level again on July 1st. Here we are. As always, price moves one step at a time, all precise, all proprietary. CrowdStrike in free fall. Absolutely no speculation and gambling, only strategic intelligent trading. 20 days later, global catastrophe is on. But with the power of the system, you knew this far in advance. It's not the place to buy, it's a place to short from. CrowdStrike collapsed from 392 until 262. Today, July 24th. How to trade this stock we're discussing in live classes. And you can view videos 24/7. Let's also take a look on Microsoft, shall we? Here's Microsoft right now, far in advance, you know, 420 will be key level to the downside. Microsoft in free fall. But if I bring to your attention Microsoft, a couple of months ago, you knew it quite well. Here's Microsoft on May 1st, 2024. This is how you trade this when you know far in advance. This is key support level to the downside. Microsoft obeying and respecting this level and crawling up higher until it does not, until it sells off. So when you start using your limitless brain, you understand. You can trade Alpha Fibonacci system on all stocks, all instruments, all time frames. Day trading not for you. Look at the charts once a week, once a month, once a day. Microsoft collapsed from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 460 until today. You see clearly 420 will be tested next. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. If you are a self-aware human being, you understand quite well. It takes days and weeks to make decision on long-term position on CrowdStrike, on Microsoft, on Nvidia, where Alpha Fibonacci system have shown you where to buy from. Today Nvidia selling off from Alpha Fibonacci key level 140. Again, how to trade this? You must know the rules. All the rules in live classes or videos 24/7. Pound reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone in bearish correction. Bitcoin testing key Alpha Fibonacci level. Skyrocketing from critical key buy point at 15,000 on Bitcoin, currently at 68,000 level. But if you will decide to day trade future, this is how software would look like. Software identifies precise entry, stop and target. Trades played out on multiple other charts with institutional sell-off and crash to continue. So when the software giving you alert and you see multiple alerts play out, you take second alert, you're riding institutional power. If single alert plays out, it's not institutional power, it's weakness only. Single alert constitutes aggressive trade. So when you understand the power of these levels on S&P, on stocks, on Forex, on crypto, and you make a personal decision on what you want to trade, the sky's as a limit. On our website, you can always join us in the trading room where you can ask questions about the instruments of your choice and you can see system and the live markets. You can view a video student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute and you can review that system traded globally since 2011, all instruments, all time frames, all platforms by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you choose the option appropriate for you, savings up to $8,000 with private mentoring on group course. Systems are lifetime for all platforms. Software for Ninja Trader 8 is a lifetime software with 3 months group course or 4 months private mentoring. In private mentoring now I work with complete beginner traders and I work with hedge fund manager. Every single one of the traders trades different instruments, different time frames, different platforms. Husband bringing his wife, friends bringing their friends, and kept making movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute, and CEO coming to classes 2 o'clock in the morning is a testimonial to the quality of the system traded globally on stocks, on futures, on Forex, on crypto. So please make a personal decision and review what our students trade and listen to the podcasts. No other website offering this. Fibonacci Trading Institute does. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much.